What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have this VigorPool Captain 1200. I actually didn't buy this for myself. I have bought this power station for this studio, for our work. You know that we do a lot of camera comparison videos and sometimes we go outside with a lot of devices. We need a lot of power, especially in winter when we go outside. We need heavy studio lights to work. So it's not easy to get that type of power in remote areas, and yeah, it's truly not easy. It's totally impossible. Like we go outside in the woods and we want to use some heavy studio lights. We want to recharge a lot of devices at the same time. It's very difficult to get that type of power. So that's why I have bought this VigorPool Captain 1200 for this studio, for all of our portable power requirement. Disclaimer, actually I went through YouTube for 5 days. Truly, I have been through YouTube for 5 days. I've watched many review videos of this product, this VigorPool Captain 1200, and I've watched many other review videos of many other different power stations, portable power stations. And what I have noticed is that well, it's almost the same. Almost all the brands, almost all the products, they have very good, very promising, like mouth-watering positive reviews. There is only one thing that has made me feel like, okay, I can go with this VigorPool Captain 1200, is that I have been using another of VigorPool product. I have been using their Lake 300 personally for myself, and I can relate what people have said in their own YouTube review videos of this product. I'm not gonna make any story. I'm here to share my honest experience. I'm here to share my honest opinion. Well, if you're here to know whether you should go for this VigorPool Captain 1200 or not, if you really need a very good portable power station and if you have the budget, then this one is the best. Go for it. If you want to hear me out why this one is the best, then okay, keep watching through this video and I will describe why do I like this one so much. Well, the first thing first, this one comes with a 1280 watt-hour battery, lithium iron phosphate battery, which is more known as LFP or LiFePO4. And the most important thing about this battery is VigorPool has claimed and they have promised that this battery can be recharged for 3,500 times. Yeah, 3,500 cycles before it gets degraded to 80%, which is really above and beyond my expectations and way above industry standard. So here comes the first like. We are gonna give it a lot of likes because it has ticked a lot of my requirements. And yeah, this one comes with a 1200 watt inverter, and if you want to double that, you can also do that. There is a parallel port at the back. If you have two of these Captain 1200, then you can just connect both the Captain 1200 portable power stations to double the inverter power and double the output. That's like a dream coming true. I have bought a lot of different portable power stations and I have tried to have this option like, okay, whenever I need it, then we can increase the output. But it was like a dream to me what VigorPool has done. 1200 watt is good enough for us, but if we need, we know that we can buy another and we don't have to just start from the scratch by scraping it and then buying a new one which comes with a 2400 wattage. We just can buy another same thing and then connect. We are good to go. Another like. This Captain 200 portable power station also comes with another function which most of the people in this studio likes, because you know we do video editing, we do a lot of professional work in this studio, and if there is a power outage, most of the time it happens like maybe Frank or James, they have done some work for a long time and they have forgotten to save it. It's bang, gone. But as this VigorPool Captain 1200 got this option to use this one as an advanced uninterrupted power supply, that problem is gone. This one actually allows the connected devices to keep running while there is a power interruption, because this Captain 1200 has a switchover time which is less than 10 milliseconds. I've seen in some other videos people have said that it's 10 milliseconds. It's not like it's 10 milliseconds. It may be up to 10 milliseconds, but it's less than 10 milliseconds. And we have actually tried this with a few of our computers. The switchover time is really great. Now, before we talk about the third thing, there is another thing which may not be as important as the other points, but in our case, this is a very important thing. Almost all the portable power stations comes with a fan. a blower to keep it cool. And this one is no different. This one comes with two very heavy blowers, but as we use this one in a studio environment, we needed something quiet, very quiet. I was like, no, we cannot use this in a studio environment because this one will make loud noise. It actually doesn't even make sound. It's pretty quiet. Yes, when it gets very hot, whenever we are recharging it and at the same time using this one to pass through power, yeah, those two blowers goes a bit loud, but it has never gone beyond 50 decibel. I mean, within half a meter vicinity, I have tried and I can guarantee it was like 50 decibel only. Well, the next point is safety and security. We use the most expensive devices in this studio. We recharge our MacBook Pro M1 Max with this VigorPool Captain 1200 when we are outside, and we have like maxed out editions which costs more than $5,000. So at the beginning, I was like, no, I don't want to use portable power station. I don't trust these things. But after I have used that Lake 300, yeah, definitely I'm going to talk about that too. And after I have used that one to recharge my MacBook Pro M1 Max and some other expensive cameras, DSLR cameras, and a lot other video editing equipments, well, I have started to use this VigorPool Captain 1200 whenever we are in a remote area. And this one offers perfect power output. Like there is no surge, no drop, and that's because this one comes with the best, the safest power output management. This one actually comes with overcharge protection, over discharge protection, overload protection, short circuit protection, high current protection, and high temperature protection, low temperature protection. Actually every protection that we need for our expensive devices, this VigorPool Captain 1200 comes with that. There are two USB-A ports, there are two USB-C ports. USB-A ports offers up to 18 watt each, USB-C ports offers up to 100 watt each. There is a car charger port, there is a wireless charger output, there are 4 AC ports at the back and also 2 DC connectors. You know what, really, I have 5 other different portable power stations. 2 of those I have already reviewed and I have liked those when I have bought those, when I have used those. But after I have started using this Captain 200 from VigorPool, the world has changed. This one even comes with an embedded wireless charging port. So we can charge our smartphones without any issue whenever we are outside. We just place our smartphone on top and bang, that one starts getting charged. No need to carry an extra cable. Yeah, this one also comes with 2 very good multifunction lights on both the sides. There is one on the right, another on the left, ambient light, strong light, SOS and flashlight. This one is ambient. Here comes strong. Yeah, those are SOS and flashlights. VigorPool also has their own smart application that's actually easy to connect, and once connected, the proprietary system actually allows us to control, customize and monitor the power usage anywhere, anytime. But after I have started using this Captain 200 from VigorPool, which we don't have in this studio at this moment, I wish that they will upgrade the application. A lot of people say, yeah, this is good, that is good, this is fast, that is fast. But most of the time, in most of the review videos, I mean the other review videos which I have watched through, I mean nobody has tried to use the AC ports. I have tried that. The moment my room heater has started to draw more power than 1200 watt, this one stops providing power. Nothing happened. So that's safety. I actually has connected a lot of devices at the same time along with that ceramic room heater. I was like worried, what will happen? Nothing happened. This VigorPool Captain 1200 knows actually which port draws how much wattage and which one it needs to stop. We have used this VigorPool Captain 1200 and we have tried to recharge MacBook Pro M1 Pro and MacBook Pro M1 Max 12 times. I mean 6 times each, and yes, VigorPool Captain 1200 has delivered. And even after that, we have managed to use this VigorPool Captain 1200 to recharge an iPhone 13 mini. We have talked about other features like this one can be used as an UPS, this one comes with a lot of security measurements, this one comes with a lot of ports, but yeah, how long will this VigorPool Captain 1200 take to get fully charged from 0 to 100? After we have used this for a few days, after we have recharged it at least 3 times. I can guarantee this one takes less than 2 hours to get fully charged. We have tried a few times, and yes, it was like somewhere between 112 minutes to 118 minutes. And actually there is an option like we can do dual recharging at the same time from AC power outlet and from solar panel. Oh yeah, this one supports up to 400 watt solar input, so if can be done together, 800 watt AC and 400 watt solar, then within 87-89 minutes this one will get fully charged. Okay, one more thing I should add over here, like as I have already bought that 100 watt solar panel, I can easily recharge this Captain 1200 outdoor because this solar panel is pretty much lightweight and it comes with a foldable design. This panel can be carried along anywhere I travel. There is built-in MPPT. MPPT stands for Maximum Power Point Tracking Technology, and that increases the charging efficiency by 50%. Like, well, it's a 100 watt solar panel, and when some of the other 100 watt solar panels cannot even deliver 75 watts, this 100 watt solar panel from VigorPool will offer a very stable and very high performance even in a winter morning. It really makes it possible to use the solar energy in every kind of weather, and it has added a lot of convenience to my life because whenever I'm touring, not me, I mean we are touring and doing some photo shoot in the woods, this one helps a lot. Finally, before I move to VigorPool Lake 300, let me talk about 3 points that why am I doing this video now and why am I talking about this VigorPool Captain 1200. I had to pay a lot when I have bought this one because I had to pay $1,099 for this VigorPool Captain 1200 and $299 for the solar panel, 100 watt solar panel. I have only bought the 100 watt solar panel, but now there is a heavy discount going on. You can get the same package for only $1,143. I wish I have waited, but actually if I have been waiting, then maybe I would never know about this great portable power station. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this opportunity and I'm gonna buy a second unit of this one so that we can use the parallel port to get a higher doubled inverter power and higher doubled output. So if you're looking for the best portable power station which offers more than 1000 watt of output and comes with the best security, then you should try VigorPool Captain 1200. You don't have to trust me, you don't have to go through my link. Yeah, I have given a link in the description box below, but that's not an affiliate link. I will never do affiliation thing because I'm not gonna take any incentive from any brands. If you wanna buy from anywhere, and actually on their website VigorPool offers 30 days money back guarantee. So yeah, you can go ahead, buy and try. My challenge, if you buy one, you will at least have this urge to buy another. Well, now it's time to talk about the younger brother, the smaller one. That's why I say younger brother, VigorPool Lake 300. Okay, this is VigorPool Lake 300, the most compact power station which provides 320 watt-hour of power and is able to charge up to 9 smart devices at the same time. It's small. It's really very small. Look at this. This is my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is covering almost 60% of the face of this VigorPool Lake 300. So now you can understand how small is this. It's cute, it's little, and it's very light, which comes with a lot of ports. There is a car cigarette adapter, 2 DC ports, there is an input port, 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, which offers up to 100 watt of power delivery. There are 2 AC ports, and there is a light. Cool. And that's not all. On top there is a wireless charging port. Tell me what else would you require from a device like this? From a portable power station which costs only $299. Oh yeah, I had to pay $299, but yeah, I'm not sad. I'm actually happy that there is a discount going on. This one costs only $269 now for a limited period of time. Moreover, VigorPool also has that 30 days money back guarantee for this tiny little cute VigorPool Lake 300. Okay, like its bigger brother Captain 1200, this one also has all the security measurements like overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, high temperature protection, this and that, a lot of things that we would need to have peace of mind when we recharge our very expensive devices using this VigorPool Lake 300. There are two AC ports. Both of these two ports can offer up to 300 watt power supply. The USB-C port supports 100 watt PD. That means we can actually recharge our MacBook Pro or any other laptops with high specifications. There are two USB-A ports. Each of these ports offers 18 watt of power output. And yeah, after counting all these ports, let me know which other portable power station actually offers that many ports and works quietly. Yeah, this one is really very quiet. I'm not sure how they have managed to do this, but I've never heard any fan whining noise. There is no noise, zero noise. And also, being a VigorPool product, that means this one comes with a very good battery management. This one comes with lithium iron phosphate battery, and VigorPool promises that even after more than 2000 cycles, the batteries won't get degraded below 80%, which is actually 2 times better than any other portable power stations available on the market. What I like most about this portable power station Lake 300 is now I use that 100 watt solar panel which I bought with Captain 1200 series portable power station, and with a 100 watt solar panel, this Lake 300 gets fully charged within 4 hours. I'm not joking. I have tried once, I have tried twice, I have tried many times, and it actually gets fully charged within 4 hours. And if you don't want to wait for 4 or 5 hours, then definitely you can use the AC port. This one also supports AC input and gets charged faster than solar power. And there is another option, like we can use both the AC port and the solar power together. Then this one will get charged within 150 minutes. Okay, yeah, 150 minutes only. Well, let me be clear. I use this VigorPool Lake 300 to recharge my MacBook Pro M1 Max, and as Philip uses another MacBook Pro M1 Pro, we have tried. This one can actually recharge 3.2 times. I mean, if you are using a MacBook Pro M1 Pro or M1 Max, and even after charging MacBook Pro M1 Pro and M1 Max for 3 times, there were some juice left in it. So this Lake 300 deserves a thumbs up. Well, that's all about this VigorPool Captain 1200 and VigorPool Lake 300. If you have any question about these two products, don't forget to ask me in the comment section below. I have already left the links of these products in the description box below, and I have already mentioned those are not affiliate links. If you wanna buy, you can buy from anywhere. I'm just sharing my honest experience with you. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way.